there! Today, I want to talk to you about something we all experience at one point or another: stress while studying. Whether you're balancing work, life, and your education, or facing a challenging assignment, managing stress is essential for your well-being and academic success. So how can you reduce stress while studying? Let's dive in. Work in short bursts. Your brain performs best in short bursts of focused activity. Try studying for 4 to 5 minutes, then take a 15-minute break. During your break, grab a snack, take a stroll, or do some stretching to recharge. Exercise and eat well. Incorporate exercise into your routine to boost blood flow to the brain and stay focused. Plus, make sure to fuel your body with nutritious meals like whole grains and fresh vegetables to maintain energy levels. Create a study plan. Organize your study time with a visual plan that outlines what you need to cover. Include other commitments like work, exercise, and social activities. Regularly update your plan to stay on track. Avoid distractions. Social media and notifications can derail your focus. When you're studying, consider turning off your phone or using apps to block distractions. Get enough rest. A good night's sleep is crucial for learning and memory consolidation. Aim for at least 8 hours of sleep each night to help you stay alert and focused during the day. Ask for help. Don't hesitate to seek assistance when you need it. Reach out to classmates, instructors, or online study groups for support and answers to your questions. Remember, managing stress is not only about achieving academic success, it's also about maintaining a healthy work-life balance. By following these tips and seeking help when needed, you can reduce stress and excel in your studies. You've got this. Keep studying, keep growing, and keep reaching for your goals with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more student tips and discover how you can study and work abroad with Hospitality Academy.